Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. All those really help out the channel a ton. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. But what is it? So today's product is an external CD DVD drive. This is the box that it basically comes in. It is by a company called Gotega. Once you open this box up, you are going to get a little user manual. Pretty straightforward though. We're going to go over all those details right now. And then you are going to get the DVD drive right here, as you can see. Now, go over the little features here. It does have some rubber feet here, which keeps it from sliding around. And as you can see, it hides the cord really nicely, so when you're traveling. Now, if you notice, a lot of computers nowadays, I know like my laptop here, it doesn't have a CD drive on it. A lot of computers don't even come with those anymore. So if you're wanting to burn some music, or if you're wanting to transfer any programs or data, this is where this comes in nice, because you can just plug it in as you need it. So we'll open up the cord here at the bottom, just kind of show you. What's nice about this is it uses both a USB connection or the USB Type-C for the faster connection. So this will go a lot faster if you can use the USB Type-C connection. Now, as far as reading and writing on a CD, it's going to have that standard 24 times, and then same thing with the DVD. It can play a DVD, and it can also burn a DVD at the 8 times. Now, this little CD drive here will work on all the platforms. So it will work on Windows, it'll work on Macs, and it will work on Linux operating systems. And then it's pretty quiet, and it has the built-in shock absorbers, especially, which is important when it is burning data. But yeah, so between the rubber feet and the built-in shock, you should be pretty good. Now, I do want to point out one thing that this guy has. Depending on your new type of computers out there, a lot of them, so depending on which plug you plug it in, if it doesn't for whatever reason get enough power to it to turn on, they included, there is this little micro connection, USB type A micro connection right there. You can plug this into a standard USB micro A and it will kind of supplement that power. So if you do run into any power issues, they give you another option to power the device separately. But let's go ahead and kind of plug this on just so you can see it working and hear how quiet it is and all that kind of information. Okay, so I want to show you here that it can play a movie. I've got it hooked up into the laptop. I went ahead and, because my laptop doesn't have current power, I went ahead and hooked up the extra USB cable to power it up to. And then we will put this in here. And then we will go to, I'm using the VLC media player. We're just going to go down here and hit open disk. And then make sure DVD is selected, hit play. There you go. Shows up. Perfect. And then just have to hit play. And the movie will start. So now you can also do this with music. So we'll go ahead and just open it up here and quickly swap out for just a CD. We got some classical music here. So we will pop that in right like so. And then you'll see right here automatically 101 classical greatest hit disc 5 just showed up. And you can see all the songs are easily listed. And hit play. And there you go. And it starts playing perfectly. So Alright guys, now you've seen the ins and outs of this little portable CD player. Like I said, if you need a device that will burn CDs or DVDs, or just play CDs and DVDs, this is a really nice little guy. Easy for travel, very lightweight. One other thing I wanted to point out, next to the little button that opens the door, there's that little pin there. If you stick like a paper clip in there, this will force the door open if for whatever reason you get something jammed or stuck. I just wanted to point that out. But yeah, so that is the ins and outs of this little guy. If you have a comment or question, I typically respond to those, so feel free to hit me up in the comment section. If you thought this video was helpful, be sure to leave a thanks, or just leave any comment. It could be a smiley face. That really helps out the channel a ton. Also, hitting that like button helps out the channel a ton. And always feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. So, and that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.